Part 2, Transitions and Pronouns. And what I'll be focusing on in this video are the 3 exercises that are due Thursday. Now, first off, I just want to make a couple comments on transitions, which you just read about. So basically, transitions are words, phrases, or even sentences that help connect ideas together. And there's 3 main functions that they have. First, transitions show your reader the connection between your different ideas. They can also show the connections between your ideas and your sources. And lastly, between your evidence and your thesis. So without transitions, your essay might read like a list of random thoughts, okay? So transitions are very key and important. Think about it this way. Transitions are like the directions in a recipe. Without them, your reader is left to guess how the ingredients come together to make a dish. So I might know that my recipe has eggs, and that it has flour, and that it has some sugar, but without directions telling me how these 3 things go together and in what quantities, I'm kind of left with a big question mark. What am I supposed to think of this and what am I supposed to do about it? So transitions are kind of like the glue that hold everything together and show the relationship between everything. So to help you learn more about transitions, you do have an exercise this week to help you. In order to do the exercise, you're going to need to view the document on MU Learn, and within that document, it asks you to kind of highlight transitions and then to change a few of them and explain kind of what you learned about transitions. So you can find more instructions on page 10 in the syllabus, and the instructions are also in the document under week 6. All right, for the second exercise you're doing, you're going to work again with identifying and citing your sources. And for this exercise, the goal is for you to see how you use transitions to introduce or identify your sources. So this is a very key part of writing, and it's a lot of times where amateur writers kind of show their amateurism. So good writers will always introduce and lead you into the information in a way that's very seamless and doesn't make you feel like something was just dropped in out of the blue, okay? So again, you can find the instructions for this on page 10 in the syllabus, and it'll be the identifying and citing your sources activity that's in chapter 29 in our textbook. And then lastly, you do have a grammar exercise. You're going to learn about pronouns this week, okay? Those are the little words like he, she, they, we, and you're going to learn how to use them in academic writing. So there are a couple exercises that you'll find within chapter 34. They're exercise 11.1 and 14.1, and you can find the directions for this in the syllabus and a little more information on page 10. So I will let you go get to these 3 exercises. When you're done, come back and I'll walk you through how to finish off your taking a stand essay.